It is time. It's time for the lightning round. That's where he calls Robert to talk about the play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dad? The lightning round is over with Greg in Minnesota. Greg.
Yes.
Greg.
Tim, well, thank you for taking my call. I've been a fan of yours for years.
Thank you.
I have a question on SoFi. I know you liked it at $5. How about $4?
I know. It's killing me. It's killing me. I mean, here we got a guy, a very seasoned guy who runs a company, Anthony Noto. He's done a good job in everything else he's ever done, and this one is not working. I don't know what to say. Maybe student loan related. The banks aren't working. And yet I think, look, you can buy JP Morgan on sale, baby. It's just, whoa, what can I say? Let's go to Izzy in New York. Izzy.
Jim, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Very good. Stock NU, the Brazilian company. Profits show good.
It's another financial company. When I got U.S. financials, which were, until last Friday, were just coming in with a head of steam, and I still like them, and I would be a buyer of them, not that. I want to go to Sean in California. Sean!
Hey, how you doing, Jim?
I am good. How about you?
I'm doing great. I'm just out here looking for earnings and value.
Okay. And what would that be?
Supergroup, SGHC.
Okay, this is
Trading
Eric
under
Rubin's company. I had Eric Rubin on twice about this. This is a gambling-related company, and it is shocking where it is. And I think that it is hard to believe that he isn't in there buying the stock hand over fist because it has come down so much, and he's a very, very smart guy. But I don't know what more to say. Can I go to David in Connecticut? David!
Hi, Jimmy. Thank you for having me, and I hope you're doing well.
I'm having a good time. How about you?
I'm good. I'm studying accounting and finance at Central Connecticut State University. So for my finance project, my question for you is, with the recent dip in tech stocks, what is your outlook on Micron as a buy right now?
Okay, Micron is a commodity player. I think that they're almost through the what they've got is an inventory glut. I think inventory glut lasts another 6 weeks, and then the stock could be off to the races. But in the interim, can we understand that if that's the case, then there are others that would be even better, including Advanced Micro. Well, now people are starting to say that they paid too much when they bought Xilinx. Let's go to Shash in Indiana. Shash.
Hey, Jim, big fan here. So my question is that, I've been long since the time they IPO'd, and I still am, with the stock getting absolutely destroyed. So, my question is that, is this the bottom for the stock, or, a good time to double down, or would you wait until...
And which stock is this?
Robinhood.
No, I don't want you to double down. I got brokerage stocks that are fantastic, that are going down left and right. I can't recommend that one. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round!
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, we all know caveat emptor. But what's Latin for crypto catastrophe? Stick with Cramer. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.